It's your girl Devonna Nicole. Thank you for joining me today. So today, guys, you read that thumbnail. We have two. So we have a double unboxing with Louis Vuitton. And I just want to make a quick shout out to one of the other YouTubers. Her name is Lula LV is the name of her channel, and she put out a video called 3 Tips to Land a Hard to Find Item with Louis Vuitton, and I'm going to link it below because it was very helpful in me obtaining these 2 purchases. So she has 3 tips to land your Louis Vuitton item that you may be having some difficulty with ordering if you don't have like an essay to assist. So basically I make all my purchases offline because the closest Louis Vuitton store to me is in King of Prussia, and that's like a little over an hour away, and I'm just not going out there. So if I order something, it's online always, and I just have it shipped to my home. So that's my preferable way to do stuff. I know some people live closer to stores. You guys have a wonderful opportunity to go in and have a relationship with an SA and kind of get the things that you need. So but basically I landed 2 items that have been hard to locate on the Louis Vuitton website, and because of her tips I was able to get these 2 items that I was looking for. So I'm going to go ahead and just show them to you guys. But guys, if you're new here, thank you for stopping by. I appreciate your visit. If you love luxe hauls like I do, and you're a purse girl just like me, please go right ahead and hit that subscribe button so you can stay up to date with me on all my latest content. And I'm always buying something, so yeah, that's probably going to be a lot of content. But without further delay, let's get started on my 2 hard to find items from Louis Vuitton. So I'm going to start out with my first item here, and I'm going to go ahead and unbox this for you guys. I always hate taking off the packaging. They wrap it up so nicely. So here we go, guys. Dun, 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 dun. And of course we have our nice little dust cover here. And I did get my paperwork for both of my purchases in these lovely envelopes. And the first item I'm pulling out, dun, dun, dun. This, guys, is the mini pochette Assoir. It says in a Darmy Eben pattern for Louis Vuitton, and this sucker is hard to find. Now, thanks to fellow YouTuber Lula LV, who gave me a great tip. Her tip was to put items, open an account, have your account open, add your items to your wish list. And when it did that, when I went online to initially do that, this item was showing up not available. However, when I went and added a few more things into my wish list, I came back and looked at this item and it says add to cart, and I was like, oh yeah, I'm adding to cart, because I don't know when I'm gonna see this again. I know this is a very hot item that a lot of people are looking for. So guys, if that tip helped you, please go ahead and use it, because items are showing up on Louis Vuitton's website. However, if you are not having an account or having a wish list, you may be having some difficulty just going on there finding stuff. So I did get this, and as we can see, I have my Louis Vuitton here. I love this because what I plan to do is use this throughout the summer, and I want to use it as like not just a catch-all, but more like a wallet and one of my Louis Vuitton purses, as well as use it as a crossbody bag. And I was going to take the strap from my Alma bag and put it on this bag and just wear it as like a crossbody, and have the straps fit on the 2 D-ring pieces here, and just use it as a crossbody. But for me, I'm just going to use it basically as a catch-all, as well as a mini purse for when I go out to somewhere where I may not need a lot of things. I may just need to take money, lip gloss, lotion, and my keys, and that's kind of what I want this for. So this was my hard to find item. I know a lot of people are looking for these, so if you are, please try that tip of adding it to your wish list. And when it becomes available, guys, you got to be ready to buy, So this is what I picked out, and I can't wait to start using this summer. I'm so happy I have this. So very excited about this one. So guys, I'm going to go on to our next item. And guys, here's our next item here. We have this beautiful Louis Vuitton box. I'm going to pop this off. And this was another item that seems to be hard to find. I don't know if stuff is just hard to find, or they're just not releasing stuff to make it seem like it's hard to find. But I was able to secure this, so let's go. Let's pull her out. You know I love calling my bags her. Dun, dun, dun. So guys, I got the Speedy bandouliere 25 as well in the damier ebene print. So this is her in all her glory. And I'm so excited. I got a bag filler that I'm going to put in here to puff her out. But I was so excited to get this bag as well because I love this print. And they said this print and the Speedy is also hard to find as well. And I bought these two items at the same time. And we should have a lovely little lock inside, which is in here. And I am just so excited, and everything looks really good. I don't see any flaws or anything on anything. No glazing issues, no. The seams look really good on here. And gosh, we get so much in these Speedies. I love the Speedies. And I know some of you guys actually collect the Speedies, and you kind of have like all of them. And I don't know if I'm going to get that far, but there's a few that I particularly like the design. This was one of the ones that I wanted to have in my collection. So we have our Louis Vuitton lock here with our keys in here. And we also have our strap as well that is adjustable. So guys, these are the two hard to find items. I know people are looking hard for both of these. You can get items off of Louis Vuitton website, but you gotta be prepared to kind of have a way to secure them if you don't have an SA. But Lula LV, check out her channel. She has a lot of great tips, and I was able to secure both of these purchases because of her. So I want to say thank you, Lula LV, for helping me secure some of my hard to find items. And guys, let me know what you think about my two purchases here. Have you guys bought both of these and have them in your collection? And if so, let me know how much you love these things. I mean, if you're a Louis Vuitton lover, I know some of us, I like everything. That's my problem. I like too much. So I'm so excited to get these two, and I just kind of wanted to hop on and just share with you guys what process I went through to secure them offline. And if that's something that you're interested in, then maybe those tips can help you as well. But guys, thanks for watching. If you are new to my channel, please feel free to hit that subscribe button and a like button if you enjoyed today's content. I am a small channel here on YouTube, and every little bit of help and support that I get from you guys helps this channel grow a little bit more every day. I would like to say thank you to my current subscribers. I appreciate you guys so much for riding with me. And guys, until our next video, I will see you next time. Bye!